to be nomination will be free and fair, and I agree, nomination will be free and fair. But you see again, we must be prepared. We also give them a fair and a free and a fair nomination. So, only want to iga tutare bono iga kurbono iga sindio safari imeanza sahi umuntu gukigota next year n'umutenyuka to tagete ticket even if you are strong na kutoka ni ticket na vile ngo sebo people are spending their money here, people are spending their time here. Kego na iga chupiri emerango iga wire odebwenza koreki aiche. And the chair next time actually, when we have this meeting, those ones who have registered, it's good that you have registered and thank you that you are here. Next time, let everybody come, whether registered or not, so that Tobare Ningori 920. So that as we move forward, somebody is going to tell to Siamo. Take Kiranga, a good take on a minute. Or sending a good no, a good take on a minute. So they can't abono chibuto chiendera polema and then I wait to get on io in second. So it's about Erasma Tutare, Kurbono, Amo. Erasi is so Kubanga is geared towards the success of 2027. You got to go to what I do with you got to Nabono in Aji Gosimadia, Nanchewe, Mosema, Bono Natring etiquette. Naboto Kandi never and I would wait at you. Because Aban Tobacco di Legasi, they must be rewarded. So what I'm trying to say, let everybody come on board now. So that Thierry Degere, Egasi Boneo correct? You got to Mamito, Pratotaram. And encourage each and everyone to come on board. E pattiere igewire kilomonto. On the day you water, Chinguru was a right you was a little party. Kilomonta correct? I came my guy. There you go. Ngesawa region about the 1 next year. So I need to atamwa. Bas to them to correct Esther. Jumatano, the Tukelega to a correct to the one of Jumatano, we have to call the entire leadership ya Gusii. You yaringe igoro na ende tokoro mukutano onde for another 3-4 hours discussing about yoko imoki namba cheto igoro. So he directed us na tutuaro mukutano wa aspirants today na utuaro mukutano yu aspirants no correct strategy or a plan on how we are going to post our numbers. N'abantu boka barakonye to post our numbers. It's you as aspirants in Murakonye. In partnership with county officials, ward officials, constituency officials, need to toranyare kuimukia chinabejo. Because we must come up with the strategies today. Because we are going to report back to him. We must report back to him. And we have been given 1 week for these numbers to rise up. So there is a review on Friday the 17th. Friday 17th, there will be a review. After holding the meeting today, in a week's time, so today, I think it's on 9th, we have another 80 days to report back. Igo sikasi kwetu. So that is why we are here. So that we are able to move forward. Because at the end of the day, you will also guide me. But we are going to do a plan for each and every ward as we are here today. That is the only way. We must come up with ward strategy. Tutuare bantu kibago tena ward A, ward B, ward C, paka D, up to the 20 wards cheto Nyamira, so that we are able to track. Komenta nayo ose kubatekana nekyo na ngetiaba ofisaba ba IPC nganyora bande bakali na Ruby. nganyoro yumito Okeyo, yeye ndio registration officer. Leo ameniambia mimi namuita returning officer, lakini ameniambia wakati wa kupiga kura wa kuhesabu wanaitwa returning officers, wakati wa registration wanaitwa registration officers, wakati wa kurandaranda wanaitwa senior election officer. So si unasikia wako na title mwingine tatu, but for today he's here as a registration officer for Borabu. So he's going to advise us the number of kids we have. I think he's aware of the number of kids we have, maybe per constituency or per ward, and then to do the kids that are available that we can be able to use elsewhere. Because what is happening is this: registration is, of course, is going on, and the different kids have been stationed in different centers, but we are not attracting the numbers that we expected to have attracted as of now. We are not achieving the targets that we expected to have achieved as of now. So we are doing about 10 or less % in terms of registration. Because we have a presidential candidate also. In terms of registration, so that we are able to demonstrate to the whole world that we are ready for a president to come from this region. And among the other strategies that we have said or we want to develop, needinga bono tuikuganya bantu baitu bachigocha kwa register bituo ordinally yige ekiti geko bekwege tuo abantu bagenda ku register abantu bagwati ekiti taibogo. Now we want the kiti to follow the people. Ntubwana ekiti kebwati abantu asabakole bari. And those areas that you can be able to find people, Namatanga, Chikanisa, Echiro, Amoni Chinando, Echiro. You might also want to go to Manawari. Thank you. Amone, Barasa, Ekarochile. So that is why I want us to come up with strategies for each and every ward so that we are able to identify the available kids where they will start going from tomorrow. Asamatanga maambia chikiti chose pichiri chiraido lazima chikole chitoka Asamatanga. And then you will also assist me with one person who is now the overall coordinator, who corrects, data, what get so that we are able to track. We measure the numbers that we achieve each and every day. Kit A, this one. Kit B, this one. Kit C, this one. So we have a WhatsApp group. So let's make that use of WhatsApp group. And I want to tell you, my brothers and sisters,